Welcome to the Arnhem Land Experience Part 1. Tony and I were lucky enough to be invited by our mate Ryan, who has lived up in the Northern Territory now for 2 years. We have a full week to hunt, fish and explore this special part of Australia. We were unsure what to expect this week, but we knew it was going to be one to remember. Thanks Ryan, and also to the traditional owners of the land for this experience. Nearly just missed the flight, didn't hear the boarding call. I had to call out our names, but yeah, we were early as too, so we're not going to miss her. Here we go. Upgraded to business. Here we are, Arnhem Land. First time ever. Barely, a little bit hotter, eh? But too bad. 3:20 it is. Oh, sure.
Yeah. He's he's a good fella. Fucking sick. Big. I don't know if it's a water python or an olive. I think it's an olive.
It looks like an olive python, eh?
You don't get them. You don't get them.
Yeah, look at that. Hey.
Most weeks are like good weeks. You get out to the other track. Yeah. Just want a beer?
Yeah, please. Good brother. Bravo, 1. Still got a, hey, still a few hours to go, but should be in the morning. Oh, fuck yeah.
On my phone. You alright?
Not one.
First camp.
It'd be good beef back from the farm.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, just had a little morning walk there. We've still got 3 hours to get to the community, so just about to take off now. It's about 6:30. Got a few spots we're going to check and get on the way, but yeah, busy for the morning. Weather's unreal. Nice little camp last night, a few beers. Bow's ready as well, so in case there's anything on the roads. First bit of water for the trip, and it looks epic. Clear as, just spooked the crocs as we pulled up. Got the rod ready, but I think we're just going to have a quick little flick here and then keep moving. We've still got a little bit of ground to cover. But perfect morning. Still no game. Yeah, we thought we might have seen a buck there on the way in, but yeah, still haven't seen one, but it's looking pretty promising. So. First bath. Just gonna leave her a mum and a baby. But yeah, that's sick. Welcome. Down off. So you gotta be careful how dry it is. Set up camp, just having a bit of a fish now. It's pretty hot at the moment. I'm going to check out some areas for the barra and then yeah, the sabo, maybe go for a bit of a stalk. But yeah, haven't really got much on the deck so far, but it's been an awesome day already. So got the twitchy on, water looks good. Okay, got some good barra here last time, so here we go. Look out. They got him in the most aggressive fish, eh? Oh, yep. Oh, come off. I reckon that was a little barra. Oh, that's a barra. That's a barra. Yep. Yeah. Come on. It actually feels half heavy or what? Look at this. Out of out for the sunset or what? Oh, don't you come off, you prick. There he is. There we go. Day one, first Arnhem Land barra. Caught barra in the Northern Territory before, but yeah, first time in Arnhem Land, so that's the first one. Actually fought a lot harder than, yeah, the size of him, so yeah, I was out and turn around there to see the sun setting behind us. So day one's just about over, sun's just about to set. Nice arvo. Just got first barra of the trip, which was good. He's only small, but still one on the board. Besides that, we this morning seen our first buff, which was sick. Then got to meet the traditional owners of the land that we're fishing and hunting on for the next few days, so that was mad as well. But yeah, no kills yet, and only the one fish. I'm not sure how the boys went, but all in all, not a bad day. But yeah, looking forward to tomorrow. A couple of beers, bed early, and into it tomorrow. Morning of day two. We're just about to go for a little bit of a drive, see if we can find any game this morning. Then we're actually going to change spots. We've sort of found out recently there's been a bit of aerial culling here, hence why we haven't really been seeing many buff or boars. So yeah, we're going to change spots about an hour away, where there's a bit of a creek system where we can walk. But yeah, going to use the morning up, just go for a bit of a drive, so we can spot anything off the roads, come back, and then yeah, relocate for the rest of the day. But yeah, another awesome morning. Yeah, no matter what happens, it's going to be a pretty good day. for shower in a couple of days. At lunchtime, just better cook up a few snags. I've had a big morning, basically just driving around. We've moved spots, went and seen Shane, the TO, again, said thanks for letting us stay and stuff like that. But yeah, now we've just moved about an hour up the road to a bit of a creek system. And yeah, apparently a few fish in here, nice and clear. And yeah, gonna hunt the Savo and in the morning. I'm not too sure how it'll go, but fingers crossed there's some big boars maybe laying up on this creek system. But yeah, Reggae's sort of never been here or never walked it, so yeah, see how we go. But bloody ripper of a spot. Apparently the campsite's pretty good we're going to too, so yeah, day 2. So blood's pumping, it's got pretty close to a bull. Reggae spotted him, real good spot across the creek here, probably just seen. Yeah, we stalked in, actually got into range, he was about 50 yards, but there was just no shot. Even if you took a step to the right or left, there still wasn't a shot. So we've left them, we've backed out, and they still seem pretty comfortable where they are. So we're going to back down to the bridge where we just come from, back across the bridge, probably about a K loop. We're going to try and come from the other side of them. So here we go. That heart's definitely pumping, but only about 200 metres off where they are. Just walk this nice creek bed in here. Try and eyes on them. So unfortunately we've come across the river, and yeah, the bulls weren't where we last seen them. They've probably only gone for like 20 minutes, and yeah, we're in the exact spot now where they were and they're not here. We're not too sure which way they went, but we're hoping they haven't gone far. It really would have been a perfect scenario, because we come in really quiet in the sand. If they were still there, it would have been on for sure, but that's what we're working with. We're thinking they went downstream, so we're going to keep just moving really slowly along here. We're into pretty thick stuff here, but made a pretty good shot, 25 yards. He's only a young bull, the bigger one was there. I'm glad I didn't wait for him, but he was in some real thick scrub. Yeah, really happy with the shot, so we'll give it about 5 minutes. We'll walk in and see if there's any blood. Should be on, but the devastation of an arrow. He was just sitting on this bench here. I was in that gully. It's pretty hard to see in this thick stuff, but look how far up high he's gone. "10 yards. There's the blood there, not too much, but there he is, first buff ever. Yeah, there's a lot bigger one in there, but I'm glad I made that choice because yeah, he was in the thick scrub and I don't reckon we would have got to him, so I'm more than happy just to put one on the ground. We'll be able to get some meat off him too. There's that shot. He was facing directly away from me. I nearly guarantee the exit hole would be just out the front of him. That's a start.
So hit him good.
Yeah. First ever buff with the bow. Pretty stoked. He's definitely only young, but that's actually good because we can take a bit of meat off him, which I wanted to do anyway. Yeah, 10 yards he went. Pretty lethal sort of a shot. I think the arrow's actually still in him, which is pretty wild. Yeah, stoked. Day 2, got it done. Nice buff there, bro. He's back at the ute now. A quick beer, I'm gonna roll in and cut him up.
What's that?
Yeah, should be a good eater, so pretty stoked about that. I'm gonna take the back straps for eating and then a bit of meat for the dogs as well.
Yeah, it's definitely different colour. Yeah, I don't know what them.
Here we go, buff back strap. Just shot him half an hour ago. A bit thinner than I thought, but yeah, can you give it a try? Long leg, back leg. Get the other one. Oh, there we go, back leg. He's got the back straps, back legs. Plenty of meat. Cart him out like it's not too far of a walk. What an experience. Cheers, boys. You. It's the shot.
Thank you. Alright.
Turtle man! Live action! Little fella. I'll let him go in the water. Well, camp, day 2, night 3. Nice little spot up on a bit of a hill, the creek's just down there. Actually a couple man-made things here. Must have been some blokes when they built the bridge down the road, toilet and shit just down there. But yeah, what a mad sort of little larvae. Pretty stoked to get it done on that younger bull, but to be honest with you, that big fella still in my mind. It would have been bloody wild. That was actually pretty mad just to see an animal that big in the flesh, 50 metres from him across the creek. But yeah, mate, I'm glad I made the call to shoot the younger one because I would have had no chance on the big one. But yeah, we've still got a few more days to try and get it done. Try and get this big dog here one, I reckon. We're looking pretty good. We've got, yeah, still 4 or 5 days up our sleeves, so yeah, good to get the monkey off the back anyway.
I'll just put this in right in it. So I got it for now.
Last sort of day out of this spot. But yeah, we're gonna all go for a morning walk this morning, put a few hours in on foot, which will be sick. Then when we go solo, we'll walk the creek. There's a few different creek systems around here, so go for a look. So I've just been dropped off by Mitchie. First proper walk of the trip really. Only got 2.5 hours. Gonna meet Reggae back at the bridge at 10 o'clock. Picked a bit of a creek system to walk down there. Beautiful morning, so gonna be a bit of water, a bit of a creek there behind me. We'll see how we go. No luck on the morning hunt. Yeah, just 2.5 hour walk on that creek, but there was no sign at all. And yeah, it's about 10 o'clock now, the boys back. They didn't see anything either, so just pulled up on this river. Have a bit of a fish. So today we still have about a 5-hour drive home. So a lot of today is going to be getting ready for the next few days and obviously driving back. So as soon as we get back, we'll fuel up, restock on food and stuff for the next little mission to the next community. But first, while we're here, we can have a quick fish in the creek. See if we can get a sooty or even the odd barra maybe getting around in here. So I'm just walking down to the creek now. See if we can get a couple. Oh, oh, yeah, boy. Good sooty, eh? Oh, it's good sooty.
Good sooty.
Yes.
It's a little football, that bastard.
Nice sooty on top water. Oh, yes. Sooty. Sort of in the middle of the river, that was. First Arnhem Land sooty. These are healthy, look at that. Beautiful little fish. Oh, there he goes. Oh, just got a whack. Oh, yes. Come back. Have a nice little sooty. I forgot how hard these little fellas hit. He's a little bit bigger. Oh no, he's not, he's smaller. Still nice, but so many in here. See ya, mate. Well, that's day 3 just about done. A lot of driving today. We had drove about 5 hours from the community. Bit of a fish this morning, bit of a morning stalk. Wasn't a bad day all around. Had to get some fuel from a little community as well. Had a bit of a yarn to some of the locals there. And now we're just back in Nullarbor. Sun's just about to go down. Had a shower, first shower in a few days. And now we're just going in for a feed and a couple of beers and yeah, get back into it tomorrow. This is probably the end of this video, but yeah, part 2 coming soon. The next few days looking like they're going to be nearly a lot better, so hopefully a lot more game, a few more fish, and yeah, another sick couple of days up here in northeast Arnhem Land.